Good morning, respected viewers. Good morning, respected students. Hope of that you all are well. Today is our discussion topic is our dreams. Hope of that you are enjoying my lecture. You are enjoying my teaching, and with the hope of that for the next time, inshallah, you more enjoyed. You will more enjoy my lecture. So let's start that. First of all, I want to give you a brief introduction, brief definition. You have to say that about dreams. Is what are dreams? Dreams, dreams are what that design yourself. Dreams are what that define yourself. Dreams are what that not design yourself but also design your future as well. Okay. um, yes, whenever we talk about dreams, at that time you have to understand that our goals, our focuses, our dreams, and as well as our ambition means to say that these are four essential whenever we put ambition, focuses, and hopes, and um, as well as your positivity. Whenever you put all these things into a word, that is dream. Okay, that is dream. So let's start that. Let's start that. What are dreams and they how they build ourselves, how they make ourselves strong, and how we achieve dreams, how we realize our dreams, and how a success can be achieved by dreams. Okay, so let's start that. Dreams of success usually means having strong ambitions, hopes, and goals for the future. Yes, I I recently told about that dreams means to say that whenever you pronounce the word dreams, at that time you have to keep in your mind that there are three main words which create dreams, which make our dreams. First one is ambition, second one is hopes, third one is goals, and fourth one is our positivity. Our positivity. These things are very very important to make the dreams. Okay. Okay, it is not just about the dreams we see. Means to say that it is not necessary that whenever you are in sleeping condition, at the time you see the dream, and you have to say that you have a dream, you are in the dreaming position. Okay, means to say that why but the visions we hold while awake means to say that you can also dream. You can also dream. You can also dream while you are not in sleeping condition. Okay. Even Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says that dreams are what which they are not able which they are not let you to sleep. What a beautiful quotation he has said that. What a great message he want to say that. Yes, dreams are not what make you what set you in this way that you are in sleeping condition. But this is an opposite condition that whenever you realize that you have a dream, at that time you have realized your mind that you have to do very very focus. You have to do very very good struggle for it. Okay, you have to do very very potential things to make your future in this way, to set yourself in this way that you can realize your time dreams into reality. Okay. Okay, Allama Muhammad Iqbal says in his poetry, Allama Muhammad Iqbal says in his poetry, there are more words beyond the stars. There are more words beyond the stars. Means to say that whenever you see the dream at that time, there are no limitations. Okay, no limitations. You only do for your struggle. You only do do to achieve for your struggle. Do to achieve. Do to realization for your dreams. There are still more tests of love ahead. Yes, there are. Means to say that you have to if you want to achieve something, you have to you have to do struggle for that. You have to if you want to achieve something, you have to lose something. Okay, you have to lose your effort. You have to lose your you have to you have to lose your comfort. You have to lose your rest. Okay, then you have to go for the struggle, and then you have to go for your dreams as well. Okay, Allama Muhammad Iqbal further told the youth, dreams are not just to be seen in slaves. Dreams, and a beautiful message which has given by Allama Muhammad Iqbal. He has said that dreams are not just to be seen enslaved. Dreams are not just to be seen in sleep, but to be fulfilled through action. Means to say that if you want to be a, if you have a dream to be a doctor, to be an engineer, to be an IPS officer, IAS officer, but you have a dream, but you have to do work for it. Okay, means to say that your destination, you need to understand that what is your destination, and what have to do for your destination. Means to say that you have to done your work. You have to done your work. You have to do work for your own. Okay, then you have to go for the destination. Then you have to achieve your dreams as well. Okay. Okay, I want to conclude my lecture with a beautiful quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You have to dream before. You have to dream. Means to say that you have a dream. You have a dream before your dreams can come true. Means to say that you have your dreams. Then you have to do for struggle for it. Then you have to make effort to realize for it. Hope of that you enjoyed my lecture, and if you understand the message, if you understand my lecture, please subscribe my channel, and please share with your loving ones, with your friends as well. Thank you so very much.